To be competitive, you need to be everywhere. But how do you ensure your recipe in one plant is producing the exact same product as another one thousands of miles away, where ingredients, equipment, location, and logistics are different? Imagine using the best digital tools to choose the most ideal location to meet your customers' demands, but also knowing that you have the capabilities to adapt your formulations consistently to your brand standards, whether it's a classic recipe or a new product. Investing in digital transformation means you can synchronize current and new equipment with process capabilities so that every machine in any of your plants can be the right machine. It means access to information that helps monitor activities and maximize efficiency. And it means scaling up recipes across plants quickly and efficiently based on a set of predefined rules. Virtualize your recipes to scale up successfully with Siemens Enterprise Recipe Management.